How to download OBS Studio on laptop or PC. So to start, we'll have to go to the bottom part of the screen and then simply tap on the search bar. In here, we'll have to search for Microsoft Store. After that, simply open the store. In here, we'll have to go again on the search bar and simply type OBS Studio. After that, tap on search. Once you do that, it will automatically show you the app, and then what we need to do is to open this one. So in here, as you can see, mine says updates since I have already downloaded the app on my laptop or PC. But if you haven't downloaded the app on your laptop or PC, it should say here get or install. All you need to do is to tap on the get or install option. After that, it will automatically download the app on your laptop or PC. Once the app is downloaded, an open option will appear here. All you need to do is to tap on the open option. After that, it will automatically open the app on your laptop or PC. And this is how it should look like once you have downloaded and installed the app on your laptop or PC. So that's how easy we can download OBS Studio on laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.